कम मिन फियतिन कलीलतिन गलबत फियतन कसीरतम बिइज़्निल्लाह. And the translation reads, how many times it happened that a smaller force vanquished a bigger force by the will of Allah. History has proven that the complete nation and its armed forces have always stood together with all their might against any act of aggression. Alhamdulillah, we have the will, capacity and capability to protect our sovereignty and territorial integrity, and we are all well aware of the ways and means to do it. Our forefathers, they have sacrificed immensely, and we have sacrificed a lot for the creation of this country, and we know how to defend it. If this great Pakistani nation and the Pakistani armed forces, if 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan.
हम सिर्फ ये कहना चाहते हैं कि ना हम तुम्हारी ताकत, ना तुम्हारी मकारी और तुम्हारी जारियत से मरूब होने वाली कौम है. Now you just wait for our response.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. इन्नल्लाह युहिब्बुल्लज़ीना युक़ातिलूना फ़ी सबीलिही सफ़्फ़न कअन्नहुम बुन्यानुम मरसूस.
जो लोग अल्लाह की राह में ऐसे तौर पर सफ बांध कर लड़ते हैं कि गोया सीसा पिलाई हुई दीवार हैं.
Indeed, Allah loves those who fight in His cause in a row, as though they are a single structure joined firmly.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on 10th May at the time of Fajr, we have given a strong punch to our enemy. Alhamdulillah. Nare
Today is 10th May 2025 and this is a smashing response to a coward enemy and it will inshallah continue. The decisive punch of Bunyanul Marsus. Nara Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Now this is with love to Pathankot!
जान से प्यारी है हमको इसकी खाक. आओ सारे जग में हम दिखाए इसकी धार. आने वाले दौर को बनाए तापना.
अपनी मुल्क को कौम के निगहबान है हम.
जवान है हम, अपने मुल्क को कौम के निगहबान है हम, पाकिस्तानी फौज के जवान है हम, हर घड़ी तैयार ना।
When Pakistan will strike, तो हमें और आपको इंडिया के मीडिया की जरूरत नहीं उसे बताने की. The whole world will come to know. This reverberations will be felt everywhere.
Pakistan says the country has launched a retaliatory military operation against India.
We have seen this pattern of strikes in the morning, then retaliatory strikes at night. It is hard to imagine from this moment where I stand that New Delhi won't want to respond.
Pakistan's army said an eye for an eye. It claimed that this counter-offensive is ongoing and that it's targeting air bases in India from which missiles had been launched.
Just after morning prayers, there were series of loud explosions were heard across Jammu and Kashmir, including Uri, Nagrota, Jammu, Udhampur, as well as the major cities of Srinagar and Jammu.
They hit 8 air bases inside of India and Indian-controlled Kashmir. And those air bases, one of them they say that they've hit a sophisticated air defense system, and another one that they say that they've taken out a missile storage.
Pakistan's military says the strikes are in retaliation for what it calls Indian aggression.
Pakistan responded with a relentless, a massive barrage of missiles and rockets, Pakistan says, into Indian military facilities, bases inside India, air bases, weapon storage, and along that disputed line of control in Kashmir against military bases. India, according to Pakistan, reached out to Secretary Rubio, reached out to the Saudis, reached out to the Turks, reached out to others to find a diplomatic off-ramp, got engaged after that onslaught in diplomacy, but telling the mediators that they were going to go on a pause on the Indian side.
घबराहट एक तो लोगों की नजर आ रही है क्योंकि तमाम एयरबेस ध्वस्त होते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, आग के गोले में बदले हुए नजर आ रहे हैं. सबसे ज्यादा जो चर्चा है वो ये कि जब आप अपनी एयरबेस को नहीं बचा सकते तो जनता को क्या बचाएंगे.
पठानकोट एयरबेस से हमला होया, दूसरे पासे जम्मू एयरबेस से हमला होया.
ये पाकिस्तान की साइड से है, देखिएगा. अब हमें आवाज़ से ही पता लग जाता है. जो सीटी बजाता हुआ तेजी से आता है और हमारे करीब जोरदार आवाज़ के साथ फटता है, वो पाकिस्तान की तरफ से फेंका गया, पुंछ पर फेंका गया.
पठानकोट, पठान हमारा आगे जिसको हम कहें एडवांस एयरबेस है, बहुत है. उन्होंने उधमपुर में किया है, ये किया है श्रीनगर के पास में किया है, अवंतीपुर में.
सिरसा को आपने बताया एयरबेस है वहां पर, उसको उसने टारगेट किया है और तो वो ड्रोन्स के साथ साथ अपनी बड़ी मिसाइल भी दाग रहा था.
पूरी तरह से धमाकों की जो आवाजें हैं वो राजौरी, पुंछ के साथ साथ जम्मू के अलग अलग इलाकों में यहाँ पर सुनाई दे रही हैं.
The attacks that have been coming in from the Pakistani forces, we saw how they lit up the entire border area all the way from the north in Kupwara, in Uri, where the ceasefire violations were taking place. Then we saw the drone strikes which were taking place in the Jammu area, all the way down to Bhuj.
See, didn't the whole world hear and report? Because that's what we promised. Your armed forces promised and delivered that.
अपने मुल्क को कौम के निगहबान है हम, पाकिस्तानी.
Indian Armed Forces reiterate their commitment to non-escalation, provided it is reciprocated by the Pakistan military.
भारतीय सशस्त्र बल दोहराते हैं कि वे तनाव वृद्धि नहीं चाहते, बशर्ते पाकिस्तान भी ऐसा ही व्यवहार करे.
पुलवामा की तरह उस वक्त भी 13 दिन के बाद इंडिया ने एक कदम उठाया था. 23 की रात को फोन आते रहे फॉरेन ऑफिस के हवाले से कि जी पाकिस्तान क्या करेगा. तो मैंने एक ही बात की कि इंशाअल्लाह हम टिट फॉर टैट करेंगे. वी विल नॉट बी द फर्स्ट वन टू टेक एस्केलेटिव मूव. ये हमने क्लियर कर दिया. आप इनका जवाब पत्थर से देंगे. पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स इज अनडिस्प्यूटेड किंग ऑफ द स्काइज.
The armed forces of Pakistan express their profound appreciation and gratitude to the brave Pakistani nation whose moral strength, resolve and above all wholehearted support and prayers remained unwaveringly with us during these testing times, which became a force multiplier for the armed forces of Pakistan.
PAF versus IF.
6-0. One of the US has overshot the target and gone ahead. And this is the radar picture. You can see that they are going. This BrahMos will miss the target and will go ahead and fall in some no man's land. Now this BrahMos is crossing on top of Shahbaz and it is going towards our western border, almost to our neighboring country, towards that. You can see this is going there. It's going ballistic. Now they are not even threatening their neighbor. They are threatening the regional stability of the whole continent. Within a short span of time of couple of hours, we had really saturated our friendly neighborhood.
The Pakistan Navy Maritime Air Arm, they were cockpit ready to generate any kind of response at all times. Next time when you think of Pakistan Navy and the silent guy, please remember that with the help of Almighty Allah, our actions will always speak louder than words.
We are a peace-loving nation. We want peace within and without. हम सिर्फ अग्रेशन को जवाब देते हैं और फिर टका के देते हैं ताकि किसी की दोबारा मजाल ना हो हमारी तरफ आंख उठाने होगी तो फिर हम आंख दिखाएंगे. वयमकरूना वयमकरुल्लाह वल्लाहु खैरुल माकिरीन. They plan and Allah plans and Allah is the best of planners.
Pakistan claims 6 Indian jets were downed. Is it correct in that estimate?
That is not information which I said is important. What is important is why they were down. That is more important for us.
But if we look at the air battle, this is where Pakistan got its pound of flesh. It is 99% certain that India lost 2 aircraft, which were Rafale, and it's very probable India lost up to 5 aircraft. Some runways have been cratered, but there has not been massive destruction. There's no evidence for that, and there's certainly no evidence. In fact, I'm astonished by the claim that 20% of Pakistan's Air Force has been rendered unusable. I've never heard that before. It's quite an astonishing claim and most certainly to be false.
हमारे जहाज गिरे हैं, कितने गिरे हैं बताइए?
5 पाकिस्तान ने अपने जहाज को बेचकर गिराया था हमारा. चाइना ने जो हवाई जहाज दी थी वो बहुत बढ़िया हवाई जहाज थी. फ्रांस के जो थे वो उतना बढ़िया नहीं थे हवाई जहाज है. उन्होंने 5 को गिराया था.
मुझे लगता है कि जो बात सीडीएस अनिल चौहान ने कही वो चीज तो पूरी दुनिया को 7 और 8 मई को पता थी, सारे अखबारों में पता थी. जो बात सबको मालूम था, ये कोई ऐसा रहस्य नहीं था जिसके बारे में किसी को उसको छुपाने की कोशिश क्यों की जा रही?
डीजीएमओ की जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस थी उसमें जब डीजी एयर से सवाल पूछा गया तब उन्होंने कहा भी नुकसान की बात करने का वक्त नहीं है. वी आर स्टिल इन कॉम्बैट.
रफाल फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट वेयर डाउन in the 4-day operations. Air Marshal Bharti, the DG Air Operations, said in the DGMO briefing, he said losses are normal in a combat. The objectives of the whole operation have been achieved, but all the pilots have come home.
You know, we are in a combat scenario and losses are a part of combat.
Chief of Defence Staff admitted there were losses. He insisted the numbers are not important.
Numbers are important, and if numbers were not important, General Chauhan or someone else would have accepted them. The fact that there's so much of kerfuffle in India and so much of anger amongst the supporters of Mr. Modi that why this conversation is happening clearly points to the fact that numbers are important. Their numbers do matter. Pakistanis were all over the place. The DG Air Ops or whatever that Air Marshal Aurangzeb was all over the place, showing those presentations being quoted everywhere. The Indians were completely missing in the bargain. The dominant narrative that went in the first few days was that the Pakistanis had bested us on that night and really done well.
DGMO level talks were going on. Pakistan actually was mentioning that we know that your such and such important sort of vector is primed and it is ready for action. I would request you to perhaps, pull it back.
खड़े परचम के तले वादे हैं किए खुद से हमने ये जमीन पर्वत दश्तो दरियाओ धरती हर धड़
पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद इस मिट्टी